YouTube? It's your girl Sierra Sparks, and I'm back with another video. If you don't know me, I'm aka Meek Girl. So y'all already know Meek stand for motivate, intelligent, never giving up, knowing that we are gonna succeed, y'all. And as y'all can tell by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how to use your hashtags. So if you're tuned in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, turn on your post notifications to know when I'm uploading content to my channel. Without further ado, we'll get right on into the video. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to show you guys how to use your hashtags when you are posting your content for your businesses. So I know I got an inbox and you guys like, can you show us how to use your hashtags, because I have problems with using hashtags. Let me tell you, I didn't even know, you guys, that I used to use all type of hashtags, and guess what? I was using my hashtags tags wrong to where it wasn't beneficial to me at all. So I saw hair, for example. Y'all excuse this. I burnt my forehead, so excuse this. I'm gonna try to swoop. We're gonna swoop this on back. So, for example, you guys, I sell hair. As I was saying before, I sell hair. So you do not want to use anything that's like, okay, so for instance, I post a picture of myself, and I'm putting my hashtags. I'm putting, all of these are great hashtags. Hashtag virgin hair. Hashtag quality virgin hair. Hashtag crimps. Hashtag, see, I'm describing the hair. You don't want to use like hashtag, I said hashtag tail. What was I talking about? You don't want to use hashtag like this post, or hashtag share, or hashtag follow me, or hashtag follow for a follow, or hashtag stuff like that. No. You want to use hashtags that are describing your content. So say for instance, you are posting clothes, or you are posting a dress you are wearing. You advertising that product. So if it's a dress, you're gonna put hashtag fashionable dress, or hashtag designer clothes, or you want to describe your product. You don't want to use like hashtag big sale, or hashtag like this post, hashtag follow me, and all that, because it's really not going to be beneficial to you. You want to use everything that describes the hair. Like a lot of times when I am posting, and this is just for me because I sell hair, y'all excuse that if you hear like a lot of noise in the background. It is my smoke detector, and I do have children, so if you hear a little rumbling, excuse me, I have kids. So, but you do not want to use a lot of hashtags that's not describing what you are selling. So for instance, like I was saying before, I sell hair. I'm going to describe the hair. I'm going to put hashtag virgin hair because I sell virgin hair. I'm going to put hashtag best quality virgin hair. Hashtag body wave, because it used to be body wave, but I crimped it. I'm going to put hashtag body wave. Hashtag wig. Hashtag lace front. Or hashtag lace front. Or, I'm going to put something like that. Only hashtag I do use, I put hashtag link in bio. So I put that to get people to, click on my link and go to my website. Hashtags do work, you guys. And I only have a small following. I don't have a big following on Instagram. But hashtags does work for your good. So make sure you are putting out good quality content as well. If you are putting out good quality content, like you don't want to just put out any type of videos, but you want to put out your best content as you possibly can, because like I said, it's a lot of people out there that might be doing the same thing that you are doing. So you just want to put, not necessarily compete, stay in your own lane, but make sure you are putting out the best. I try my best to put out the best content I can. But when you are using your hashtags, you want to make sure that you are describing whatever you are selling. So like I said, you don't want to put like hashtag follow me, follow for a follow, like for a like. I know y'all see a lot of that, but those hashtags, they don't work. Trust me. I would do like put any hashtag that just describes the hair. So like I said, I'm selling hair. I'm going to put hashtag quality hair, hashtag human hair. I'm going to do all that because human hair, virgin hair, lace front. This is lace front. So I'm just describing the hair. And it's going to, it's going to drop people like, okay, this quality hair, this virgin hair, and I'm going to take a good picture or post good quality content that, people will be intrigued to, interact with, click my website and buy. So you want good quality content, and you want to make sure you are using hashtags that are describing your product. Don't put those likes for likes. Those are red flags. Don't do that. Just describe your product. And sometimes you might not have a lot of hashtags to describe your product. Sometimes less is more. You don't have to have a lot of hashtags. Like I said, I just use the hashtags that to describe my business. I don't do that like for like, that follow for follow. I don't do none of that no more. I used to. And I realized that I was doing it all completely wrong. So I'm here to tell you, just describe your hair. Describe whatever you are selling. So if you're selling hair, you can put hashtag quality hair, hashtag virgin hair, hashtag best virgin hair, stuff like that. I'm going to do anything that's going to describe my hair, my brand, what I am selling. I'm just going to describe whatever I am selling. I'm not going to use hashtags like follow me, because you can have followers that's not even, active followers. It's just I know there's a bunch of people that wasn't even made up pages really that was following me. I was like, who are they? These people don't even look like they're made up, just made up people. So hashtag whatever you are selling, make sure you just describe your product. And I'm telling you, it will work for your good. And that's what I can tell you about is hashtags, y'all. Just describe your product. Like I said, don't use that follow for follow, like for like for a follow, like for this. Don't do all that. Just describe your product and keep it moving, sis. And I promise you, it's going to work out for you good. And you have to be consistent. Be consistent. Everything is not woo. You have to be consistent and continue to post. And I'm telling you, somebody's going to buy. But hashtags do work. And it will, you will gain followers by that. And, people will start engage you more in your, on your pages and stuff. So, yeah. Make sure you guys, I hope this was helpful to you guys. Make sure you guys, use this to your good. I hope this helps. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. My name is Sierra Sparks, aka Mint Girl. And let me know what else videos you would like for me to do on my channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think down below. If it was helpful, was it a thumbs down? What is it sis, yeah, I need a little bit more depth. Let me know. But yes, I hope this worked for you good. I hope you get tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of sales. And I